Hello student, welcome back in English lecture. Children, tell me one thing. Do you like to play games? Yes, I know it. Most of the children likes to play the games. Children, can you observe what is this? Yes, this is a symbol of Olympic Games. Now you will think, what is the Olympic Games? Anyone can knows about it? Okay, Olympic Games means a sportsman from different countries of the world come together for these Olympic Games and a number of events are held here. Children, do you know? In these games, our few Indians have won Olympic medals. You have to see the pictures like Mary Kom, Abhinav Bindra, Saina Nehwal, Sushil Kumar. They all won bronze medal, silver medal, gold medal. Like this way, in 1952, there was a wrestler named Khashabad Jadhav and he also won this way Olympic medals. So children, today we will learn the story of Khashaba Jadhav. So children, let's start lesson number 7, Khashaba Jadhav. First, I will read the lesson. You have to put your finger. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving competition, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Khashaba Jadhav. Now, see the children, we all heard about the Olympic Games. In these games, different countries are participated and different games are held in this Olympics. Which games here held like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving. Now diving means what? A swimming under the water. Again boxing and wrestling matches and so many things means a different types of games was held in this Olympics and those who are the winner they was get the medals like gold medal, silver medal and bronze medals and these medals are really an honor, really a proud and this winner is considered as a world champion. Means children, those who will win these Olympic Games and those who will get the medals, he is become a world champion. So we learn first our few Indians also own these Olympic medals. But in our Maharashtra, the first person to win the medal, he was a wrestler and his name was Khashaba Jadhav. He was the first person from Maharashtra win the medals. Now see the downside. Khashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father Dada Saheb was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Khashaba. Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khashaba. Now, see the children. Khashaba born in a poor family at the village Goleshwar. It's a near in a Satara district. This family was loved sports, especially a wrestling. Why? Because the Khashaba's father, Dada Sahib, he was a wrestler. So, this family loves a wrestling. Dada Sahib had 5 sons, but the youngest of them was Khashaba. So, Dada Sahib decided and he himself started to taught his son wrestling. They were all very good, but among them all the Khashaba is a best. Dada Sahib's all children are good in wrestling, but one of them was a Khashaba. He was good in wrestling. Means himself they taught and they love the wrestling. Now see the downside para. From an early age, Khashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon, it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. Now see the children. The family love for a wrestling. Why? Because the Khashaba's father Dada Sahib, he was a wrestler. So they himself taught the Khashaba wrestling. So from in his early age, he loved to see the wrestling bouts. Bouts means a matches. Wrestling matches. He nicely sit on the father's shoulders and watch the matches. When he was just 10 years old, first time he was get into the akhada. Akhada means a place where the wrestlers exercise. Not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. Means in a small age he was the best in a wrestling. Not only in his akhada but the whole area where he started the first time wrestling. Now see the children, last para. Khashaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, mallakham, running, swimming and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became strong and agile. He loved to discuss sports with his friend. Now see the children. Khashaba is good in wrestling. With a wrestling, he loves other sports also, like mallakham, running, swimming and gymnastics. And especially he loved a kabaddi. He took part all in these events or in these games and he became a strong and agile. Okay, agile means able to move quickly. He took part in this all competition because he was very strong and he can move quickly or easily. And he also discussed with his friend about the sports. Means he loved other sports also too. So children, this much understood. Remaining lesson we will see in a next lecture. So today how much we learned, you have to read the lesson.